Hello everyone, hope you're doing well. And in this video we are going to create this awesome navigation bar, this awesome menus, as you can see, using pure CSS. So we are going to create this project from scratch, so you can follow this video until end to learn how to create this responsive menu bar or navigation bar using pure pure CSS. Is a complete responsive menu bar with a pure CSS. So hope you enjoy, and please follow this video until end. And before jumping over to the main point, if you didn't subscribe my YouTube channel, make sure to subscribe this channel and hit the bell icon so you'll get the notification of my new video when I upload.
feel the blood creeping up from the heathens. Got will, got fight, got pride, got reason. If they wanna go eat, then you know I'm gon' feed them. If you're coming for me, hope you're ready for a demon. I got eyes in the back of my head, I'm seeing. Take me for granted and you know I'm leaving. I'ma take what's mine with the webs I'm weaving. I could take this crowd from seeing to believing. Got a taste for blood and my tongue keeps bleeding from the words I spit. So sharp, so freezing, so cold. Behold, frostbite they feeling. I could tear you apart or I could go heal them. Don't believe in fate, don't believe in ceilings. I just need a taste and my mind starts peeling. I don't pace myself, I grind on kneeling. Got lust for change, I just love the feeling. I ain't gonna give up. Got too little time, I'ma live up. Head down, push forward through the tough times. Cause anything worth doing is a tough climb. And I ain't gonna give up. Got too little time, I'ma live up. Head down, push forward through the tough times. Cause anything worth doing is a tough climb. Cause I'ma live life for the fight, yeah, I'm here to get it. I got drive, got sight, always have a vision. I don't lie at night, I be in my feelings. I'ma be fine, need time and I'll soon be winning. I live life for the fight, yeah, I'm here to get it. I got drive, got sight, always have a vision. I don't lie at night, I be in my feelings. I'ma be fine, need time and I'll soon be winning. I can feel the blood creeping up from the heathens. Got will, got fight, got pride, got reason. If they wanna go eat, then you know I'm gon' feed them. If you're coming for me, hope you're ready for a demon. I can feel the blood creeping up from the heathens. Got will, got fight, got pride, got reason. If they wanna go eat, then you know I'm gon' feed them. If you're coming for me, hope you're ready for a demon.
So now let's check how it looks. So as you can see, the beautiful menu, as you can see, with the animation which is moving its background. So now when we hover the cursor is going to be changed to the pointer, and when we click this, as you can see the animation. And that, so when I right click and let's check this how it looks at small devices. So as you can see, it is responsive, complete responsive menu. The text is changing now. Let's change, as you can see. So that's it, guys. Hope you understand, and hope you learned something from this video. So if you think you learned something new from this video, please hit the like button, leave the comment, and don't forget to subscribe.